So, trade recap. It's January 21st. Honestly, it was kind of a weird day, but PA was nice. Let me explain. So, first we had this trade. I'll get right into it, but first, the first opportunity that presented itself today was that we had a SMT, both NASES. If I can find it, it was right over here. NASES. We had a very nice SMT right over here, incline, decline, and we're inside of a fair value gap. Overall trend is very much bullish because we have this new week opening gap. So that being said, I came down to a lower time frame. What do we have? Manipulation leg, market structure shift at the highs to go break even. And that being said, we also had an inversion for value gap. This is a no-brainer for longs. But I was honestly hoping that this candle over here would wick lower so I can get an actual clean entry. Because if you guys know me already, I target max negative twos. And this, considering was the high, I didn't want to target anything higher than that. So if I would have entered on a candle close, this would have been, it wouldn't have been a good entry. So I did not like the risk reward on that. I know people took this trade. I didn't even open my Instagram, and I don't want to open my Instagram because I know this is an opportunity I missed. Then I said, okay, well, we still have this higher time frame old New York session that got taken. So I'm like, all right, bet. Like this high is gonna get taken. We're gonna tap inside of a fair gap with the SMT. We're gonna push lower. Yeah, right idea. Manipulate the highs, market structure shift at the lows, entered right on the inversion for value gap, got a beautiful entry point. And what does market want to do to me? I'll answer it for you. Stop me out at break even and then have the push lower. Bro, I don't know why, but we were respecting this low for so long. This is on a 2-minute time frame. We were respecting this low for 12 minutes. We could not break below it for 12 minutes. What the fuck? Why are we not breaking below? Bro, go to a 5-minute. There's no fair value gap. Go to a 3-minute. No fair value gap. 4-minute. No fair value gap. 2, 1. Why are we respecting this low? I don't know. So, me seeing this, I'm like, okay, well, there's obviously some like Buddha over here freaking that doesn't want price to go lower. So, obviously, in the right mind, you go break even at this point because markets can very easily just reverse. I'll leave it at that. So break even on the day. Had two very nice opportunities. One, risk reward was not on my side. I would have had a negative risk reward. I did not like it. And well, I don't know. The Jews are on the market. Anyways, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Other than that, peace.